In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see spread in Ctrader. Before we jump in, a quick refresher. The spread is the difference between the buy price, called the ask, and the sell price, called the bid. It's a built-in trading cost, and it can widen or tighten depending on market conditions, volatility, and your broker's liquidity. Seeing it clearly on your chart helps you plan entries, exits, and risk more accurately. First, go to Ctrader. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Make sure you're connected to your broker and that the market you want to view is live, since spreads can look different on inactive symbols or outside trading hours. The interface may vary slightly by version, but the controls we'll use are in the same place. Next, open a chart for the instrument you want to monitor. Choose the symbol from your watch list and load it in a new chart or replace the current one. Any time frame works for this, and you can stick to your usual chart style. Just ensure the price scale is visible so you can clearly see the current price. On the chart, click the Chart Settings button, the small gear icon on the chart itself. This opens the settings specific to that chart, not the platform-wide preferences. You'll see options for appearance, trading tools, and overlays. Now enable the Show Ask Price Line option. When this is turned on, the chart will display the ask line in addition to the bid line. The bid is typically the default price line you've been seeing. The ask line appears slightly above it. That distance between the two lines is your spread. If your theme makes the lines hard to distinguish, adjust line colors or thickness in the same settings area so they're easy to tell apart. With the ask line visible, you'll see the spread directly on the chart in real time. Watch how it changes around news releases, market opens, or during low liquidity periods. The tighter the distance, the smaller your cost to enter a trade. The wider it gets, the more careful you should be with stops and order timing. For a quick sense of size, glance at the price scale. The difference between the bid and ask values equals the spread. If your platform shows a small spread readout near the price, that's the same number. Remember that different symbols quote pips differently. For many forex pairs, 1 pip is 0.01. For JPY pairs, it's 0.01. And for metals or indices, tick values vary by symbol. That's it. By turning on the ask price line, you've made the spread visible right on your chart, helping you trade with more clarity and control.